Get ready to elevate your driving experience with the latest and greatest car gadgets available on Amazon. From essential tools to high-tech accessories, we've curated a list of 35 must-have items for every car enthusiast. Let's dive in and check out these incredible gadgets. One, brake tail light. Safety first. This brake tail light, packed with 15 super bright LEDs, makes sure you're always visible on the road. It easily plugs into a standard 2-inch tow hook socket and can act as an extra brake or fog light. With a strobe effect for the running mode, it ensures you stand out even in poor visibility. Plus, it comes with a secure locking pin and foam pad for a snug fit. 2. Spare tire cover. Keep your spare tire in top shape with this stylish PVC leather cover. Perfect for SUVs like the Hummer H3, Jeep Wrangler, and Ford Bronco. It shields your tire from dirt, water, scratches, and harmful UV rays. It's also super easy to put on, thanks to the elastic edge that fits perfectly without any tools. It's a simple waterproof solution that ensures your spare tire stays in perfect condition. 3. Air Purifying Bags. Say goodbye to bad smells with these bamboo-activated charcoal bags. They have over 2 million pores that soak up odors and excess moisture. Non-toxic and safe for kids and pets, these bags are a natural way to keep the air in your car fresh. To keep them working their best, just pop them in the sun for 2 hours every couple of months. They're perfect not just for your car, but also for closets or any space that could use some fresh air. 4. Garage heater. Warm up your garage quickly with this space heater that uses PTC ceramic heating technology and a high-speed fan. It has multiple heating modes, high, low, and fan only, and includes overheat protection for safety. The heater's 90-degree tilt angle ensures effective heat distribution, and it's lightweight, quiet, and easy to move around with its 5-foot cord and comfy handle. 5. Tactical Organizer. Keep your car organized with this tough backseat organizer made from durable 1000D nylon. It's built to last, with multiple pockets and a mole system for attaching extra gear like first aid kits or water bottles. It fits most cars and installs easily with adjustable straps. Whether you need to tidy up or just keep essentials within reach, this organizer is versatile and perfect for the job. 6. Tool set. Need a tool for any job? This 438-piece tool set has wrenches, sockets, screwdrivers, and pliers, all made from durable chrome vanadium steel. They come in a sturdy aluminum box with 3 sliding compartments for easy organization. This is perfect for home maintenance or garage repairs. 7. Telescopic ladder. Climb for anything with this 16.5-foot aluminum telescoping ladder. It's adjustable, versatile, and compact for easy storage. Use it as an A-frame or straight ladder, perfect for roof work. The sturdy locking mechanism ensures safety and stability for both professional and home use. 8. Car seat covers. Protect your seats with these premium synthetic leatherette covers. They guard against stains, dirt, and dust, while adding style to your car's interior. They are easy to install with an anti-slip lining, and they're also airbag compatible, offering both safety and a sleek look. 9. Magnetizer. Turn your tools into magnetic helpers with this set of magnetizers and demagnetizers. Since they are lightweight and battery-free, they're easy to carry and store. Simply pass your tool through the center hole to magnetize or through the side slots to demagnetize. This is perfect for reducing slippage and enhancing usability. 10. Rooftop Tent. This rooftop tent is an excellent choice for camping enthusiasts, offering comfort and protection in all seasons. Made from 100% waterproof material, it ensures you stay dry even in unpredictable weather. This tent includes essential accessories such as LED strips, YKK zippers, a thick mattress, and a folding ladder, making setup easy. Its sturdy construction from aluminum alloy and stainless steel guarantees durability and wind resistance, accommodating 2 adults and 1 child comfortably. 11. Oil dye. Detect leaks easily with this UV engine oil dye. Just add it to your engine oil and use a UV flashlight to spot any leaks. It's a handy tool for mechanics and car enthusiasts, making it simple to find and fix fluid leaks. 12. Electronic tinting. Upgrade your car windows with Smart Window Film that switches between transparent and opaque. This film provides high UV protection and reduces noise by up to 20%. It is easily controlled with a switch and offers customizable privacy and enhanced comfort for your vehicle. 13. Tablet holder. Keep your passengers entertained with this universal tablet holder. It fits devices from 4.7 to 12.9 inches and mounts easily to the back seat. The adjustable arms and 360-degree rotation ensure the perfect viewing angle. Soft rubber padding protects your device, making travel more enjoyable. 14. Air compressor. Inflate your tires quickly with this powerful cordless air compressor. It has a high-speed inflation rate and a built-in lithium-ion battery for convenience. The automatic shut-off feature ensures your tires are inflated to the right pressure, making it perfect for use anytime, anywhere. 15. Trim Shine Ceramic. Restore your car's plastic and vinyl parts with this professional ceramic coating kit. It provides a deep, lasting shine and is UV resistant, protecting against cracks and fading. It is easy to apply and keeps your car's trim looking new for up to 5 years. Loving these gadgets? Give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you never miss the latest in automotive tech. 16. Interior Cleaner. Keep your car's interior spotless with Chemical Guy's Universal Cleaner. It works on leather, vinyl, plastic, carpeting, fabric, and glass. The cleaner contains UV blockers to prevent fading and cracking, ensuring your car's interior stays in pristine condition. Just spray and wipe for a clean finish. 17. Truck Bed Mat. Designed for Ford F-150 pickup trucks, this rubber bed mat offers excellent shock absorption and an anti-slip surface for added safety. It is easy to install and clean, providing firm grip and protection for your truck bed. The mat's durability ensures it withstands heavy use, keeping your truck in top shape. 18. Rove R3. The Rove R3 DVR captures clear footage from 3 cameras in 1440p and 1080p resolution. It features 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, a G sensor, parking mode, loop recording, stabilization, and night shooting. It's compact and feature-rich, perfect for comprehensive vehicle surveillance. 19. Cargo Net Pocket. Organize your car with this reinforced cargo net pocket. It fits most vehicles, providing secure storage with extra fasteners for stability. The transparent design allows quick access to items, making it a practical addition to keep your car tidy and items easily accessible. 20. Camber Tool. Ensure precise wheel alignment with this Camber Tool. It attaches easily to the hub or brake disc with powerful magnets, providing accurate measurements. Suitable for various car brands, this tool improves vehicle handling and tire longevity by ensuring optimal alignment. 21. After-wash spray. Achieve a streak-free, glossy finish with this after-wash spray. It prevents stains and streaks while enhancing the shine of your car. Additionally, it boosts the protective properties of existing waxes or polishes, making your car look well-maintained after every wash. 22. Plastic Welding Kit. Repair plastic car parts with this comprehensive welding kit. It includes welding rods, tips, and reinforced mesh for professional quality fixes. The welder heats up to 525 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring strong, durable repairs for bumpers, headlights, and other plastic components in your vehicle. 23. Oil Funnel Set. Make oil changes a breeze with this funnel set, featuring 15 adapters for various car models. Each adapter has rubber gaskets for leak-free connections and extended tubing to reach difficult areas. This set simplifies the oil-changing process, ensuring no spills and easy access. 24. Jack Pad. Lift your Tesla safely with these durable natural rubber jack pads. They lock securely to the car's frame, providing essential cushioning and preventing damage during lifting. These pads ensure a stable, safe lifting process, protecting both your vehicle and the jack. 25. Foam Cannon. Wash your car without scratches using this powerful foam cannon. It generates a thick layer of soapy foam with adjustable density and a wide stream for maximum coverage. Perfect for all vehicle sizes, this foam cannon makes car washing easier and safer. 26. Silicone License Plate. These high-quality silicone frames protect your license plate from rust and damage. Durable and flexible, they withstand various weather conditions without cracking or fading. They also have drainage holes to prevent water buildup. These frames ensure your license plate stays secure and in good condition. 27. Phone Holder. This magnetic phone holder attaches to any metal surface in your car, providing a secure and convenient place for your smartphone. The swivel mechanism allows you to position your device for optimal viewing. Made of sturdy aluminum, it's durable and lightweight, ensuring easy access to your phone while driving. 28. Steering Wheel Lock. This anti-theft device features a flexible cable made of high-strength steel wire, securing the steering wheel and integrated seatbelt. It prevents theft by locking the wheel, making it impossible to drive the car. The adjustable length fits all standard cars, providing a robust and reliable theft deterrent. 29. FM Transmitter. This multifunctional Bluetooth adapter includes FM transmitter and aux adapter capabilities. It mounts on the ventilation grill, offering clear sound and convenient access. Equipped with large, easy-to-press buttons and a noise-canceling microphone, it ensures high-quality calls and music playback, along with fast-charging ports for devices. 30. Polishing Tool. This polishing tool attaches to a standard drill, transforming it into a powerful tool for polishing and restoring car paintwork. Suitable for waxing, polishing, and refinishing body parts, it provides professional results at home. The tool simplifies car care, making it easy to maintain a glossy, scratch-free finish. 31. Microfiber Applicator. This premium microfiber applicator is designed for applying car cosmetics with ease. Made of durable microfiber, it has an ergonomic shape for comfortable use. It is perfect for both dry and wet applications, ensuring even and fine distribution of products without leaving streaks or scratches on your car's surface. 32. aptX-HD Adapter. The aptX-HD adapter is a wireless Bluetooth device designed for Audi and Volkswagen cars, enabling high-quality audio streaming. It supports advanced codecs, ensuring superior sound quality. It's easy to install and modernizes your car's audio system, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music wirelessly with excellent clarity. 33. Mother's Protectant Spray. Mother's Protectant Spray is a detailing compound that preserves and protects car interiors. It contains UV blockers to prevent fading and cracking, making it suitable for rubber, vinyl, plastic, and fiberglass surfaces. This spray ensures your car's interior remains in excellent condition, providing long-lasting protection and a clean finish. 34. Dewalt DXAELJ16. The Dewalt DXAELJ16 is a portable car jump starter with a 600 peak amp capacity. It features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, a USB connector for charging devices, and a bright LED flashlight for emergencies. It is compact and powerful, ensuring you're always prepared to start your vehicle or charge gadgets on the go. 35. Fuel Tank. This portable fuel tank is equipped with sturdy wheels, brass faucets, and an automatic shutoff feature. It's easy to transport and provides a convenient, safe fuel flow rate of 2 gallons per minute, ideal for farms, outdoor activities, or emergencies. It ensures efficient and spill-free refueling wherever needed. So, what do you think about these incredible car gadgets? Which one did you find useful for you? Comment below with your favorite gadget. Until next time, happy driving!